I was about to turn left and the car turned off.
Were you gonna go fill up?
Yeah, that's what I was going to fill up now.
Where's the servo?
It's down the road. You have to turn right at the light, and it's like half a meter.
Fuck, I can't even get behind you.
Just go, pretend you're driving backwards.
Just gonna wait. Fuck, man. Can you...
It's super Corolla, man.
Can you just... Hold up.
That's what I closed to, yeah.
Yeah, hold up. I'll go in front of you, or some shit.
Yeah. So I'll get the rope ready, yeah?
Can we... We can't pull yet.
I'll get the rope ready, I've got the rope.
Alright, let's pull.
Huh? What is it?
No, nothing.
Just smash me.
Ready?
Yeah, go.
Hold up.
Just quick.
Alright, go.
Yeah, keep going, keep going. There you go. Mid work.
Fucking hell. Where are we going?
Just turn, we'll go turn right these lights.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you stop pushing me now?
I
I'm gonna hold the brake.
stopped. I don't see the servo.
The servo's just down the road. I was trying to say it's like 2 minutes away.
Are we going left or right?
We're turning right.
With this turn?
Yeah.
So there's a servo in the shopping centre?
Yeah, it's like outside the shopping centre, inside or some shit. That's what my phone was telling me.
Fuck. Turn on your hazards.
It is on, isn't it? Oh, there you go. Just push me fast.
Did people rage?
Keep going, go. Quick, go. Push.
Go.
Go harder. There we go.
Go.
I'm going, you have to go with me, you have to push. Keep pushing.
Bro, my bumper's gonna fucking fall off.
No, it won't fall off.
Tell me when to stop.
Keep pushing. Just keep going. I'll brake and you'll know when to stop.
Fuck. Scary as.
Go push a bit more. Don't go too hard, your airbags will go off.
Fucking hell. Where?
Just keep going. Push more. Keep going. Just keep going. Just keep pushing. You just keep pushing.
You tell me where to go. Straight?
You just keep going. Yeah, go straight. Yeah, straight.
Straight, yeah?
Yeah, straight. These cunts are all laughing it up.
Yeah, it's funny as fuck.
Alright, that's it. You're doing good. Keep going. 2 minutes away.
Fucking hell, we're gonna be on Dashcams Australia. For sure.
Are you gonna record it? You're recording now, aren't you?
Oh my god, yeah.
Push harder, faster.
Tell me what's happening. What's ahead?
All good. There's nothing in front of me. It's all good. Just keep going. All good.
Fuck, that was scary. Oh!
Don't go too hard.
I know. I'm trying, bro. I'm trying.
Perfect. it's all good, it's all good. And then after this round, we're going to turn left.
Oh my god. Make sure this one's clear, yeah? Clear?
Yes, clear.
Right,
Go,
we're going.
Going.
Go.
Going. Going. Keep going. And after here, we're going to turn left at the other roundabout.
Tell me when.
Push me, yes. That's it. Keep going.
I'm not gonna push you yet, because we're going downhill.
No, don't push. Yeah, don't push me yet. Yeah. You're the best queen. Thanks, man.
Where now? Left?
I'm turning left. I'm turning left.
This is all you. This is all you.
All me, yeah. All me.
Yeah.
Oh, I might make it. I might coast it.
I'm coming. If you got it, if you don't. Holy shit.
Now my fucking my fuel tank won't open, the cap. Why won't my cap open for?
Don't worry, we'll fit. I know how to open it with a screwdriver.
Oh, do you?
Why did you go this way?
How else am I gonna go?
There's another turn.
Oh, who cares, man?
Are you coasting?
I'm coasting still.
How?
Where's Diesel?
Left!
I got it.
Man. Man.